Master your accent. Self-assessment tools and checklists for pronunciation improvement. Hello and welcome back. Today, we're going to explore an essential part of your English language learning journey: assessment and progress tracking. We'll focus specifically on using self-assessment tools and checklists to improve your pronunciation and reduce your accent. This will empower you to monitor your own progress and make the necessary adjustments in your learning. Self-assessment is a process in which you evaluate your own pronunciation and speaking skills. This could include paying attention to the clarity of your speech, the accuracy of your pronunciation, and your fluency. It's a way for you to become aware of your strengths and weaknesses, and actively work towards improving. It promotes autonomy and self-confidence in learning, especially in the aspects of pronunciation and accent reduction. Now, let's discuss the role of checklists. A checklist is a tool that helps you to keep track of the key points you need to consider when assessing your pronunciation. This could include components like rhythm, stress, intonation, and the pronunciation of specific sounds. The use of a checklist simplifies the process of self-assessment, ensuring that you don't overlook any important aspects of your pronunciation. In other words, a checklist is your roadmap to accent reduction, guiding you on what to focus on. In order to use self-assessment tools and checklists effectively, follow these steps. 1. Identify your goal. Define what specific aspect of pronunciation or accent reduction you're targeting. For example, you might focus on mastering the th sound, or on controlling your intonation patterns. 2. Record your speech. Use a device to record yourself speaking. This could be reading a passage, having a conversation, or just speaking freely about a topic. 3. Listen to the recording. Pay close attention to the aspects of pronunciation and accent you're focusing on. 4. Use the checklist. Go through your checklist item by item, and assess whether or not you've met the criteria for each point. 5. Make notes. Write down your observations, including areas where you did well and areas you need to improve. 6. Create an action plan. Based on your notes, decide on strategies to improve your weaknesses. This might include practicing specific sounds, using rhythm and intonation exercises, or shadowing native speakers. 7. Re-evaluate. After some time of practicing, go through the process again to track your progress. This cyclical process allows you to constantly assess, track, and improve your pronunciation and accent. And there we have it. By utilizing self-assessment tools and checklists, you're well on your way to mastering your English pronunciation and reducing your accent. Remember that practice is key and that this process takes time. We hope you found this video helpful and empowering in your English language learning journey. As always, keep practicing and keep improving. You've got this.